In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your AI videos using Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 for free. So I discovered this secret AI tool that allows you to generate videos using different AI models. I've tested it, I've used it to create different videos and it actually works. The quality of the videos are okay and there is no watermark. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the tool, show you live examples and also tell you everything I know about the AI video generator. Now let's get into it. Okay, so this is the AI tool I'll be using. Right now I'm having 170 credits which I can use to create anything on this platform. This tool is very powerful. It is not only limited to video generation only. You can use it to write a presentation, you can use it to design a logo, you can use it to generate images, you can use it to do a lot of things, but the one I have business with right now is the AI video generation. So I'll tap on AI video that is here on the screen and it will take me to this page. This is where the magic is going to happen. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to tap on this page where you are saying text to image to video. You are going to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see other different settings that you can choose from. This is where you will select the kind of video you want to generate. You can generate your video using text or image to video. You can choose first and last frame to video if that's the kind of video you want to create. You can choose reference to video. You can use motion mimic. Whatever you are going to select here depends on the kind of video you want to create. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will choose text or image to video. The next thing I'm going to do now is to select the model I want to use. See this place where you are seeing 2.7. Click on it. You will see different AI video generation models that you can use on this platform. You can see one, you can see Seedance, Kling, VO and Pixverse. Let me start by generating my video using Seedance. Now once you click on the model that you want to use, you are going to see different types of that model that is also available. If you look here, we have Seedance 2.0 Mini, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Seedance 1.5 Pro and ordinary Seedance 2.0. You can choose anyone you like from these models, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will choose Seedance 2.0. After that, I will select my aspect ratio and the duration I want the video to last, plus the quality of my video. Note that the higher the quality, the higher the credit you are going to use. Also, the higher the number of the duration, the higher the credit you are also going to use. For example, now I select 10 seconds for this video and I also select 720p as the quality. Now this is going to cost me about 180 credits, so I have to change the settings to 480p and that will cost 80 credits. I will change my aspect ratio to 16:9 and the next thing I'm going to do now is to paste my prompt and tap on send to generate my video. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the video to generate, so you have to be patient. Okay, the video is ready. Before I show you how to download the clip, let me play the video for you first. To download your video, tap here and you will see the option to save the clip on your device. If you watch this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. What I do here is that I teach creators how to create high quality videos using AI. I review the tools, prompts and tricks you need to make better AI videos. If this is what you like, then subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss anytime I drop a new video. Before I tell you some of the issues you might encounter while using this AI tool, let me quickly show you how to use Kling 3.0. As usual, you are going to tap on this place to select the model you want to use. Choose Kling 3.0, then set the quality you want and the duration you want the video to last. After doing all that, the next thing is to paste your prompt and tap on send for your video to generate. After a few minutes, the video will be ready and you can download it on your device. The name of the tool I use is Orient AI, and now that you know how to use it to generate your videos, here are some things to keep in mind. Orient AI gives you 50 credits on your first sign up and you get 30 credits if you log in every day. Also, if you are using your phone to access the tool, make sure you change your browser to desktop sites. If you don't do that, you will not have access to Seedance, Kling and other advanced video generator models. You will only be seeing one video generator models if you are not on desktop sites. Make sure you like this video, share and tell me if this video is helpful for you in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video.